Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous beautiful Bollywood actress Katrina Kaif. So today I edit her song video and the song name is Chikni Chameli, and I did this video with 4k 60 fps in vertical frame, and I covering all the angle of Katrina Kaif in this video. So, Chikni Chameli is a standout track from the 2012 Bollywood movie film Agnipath, featuring by Katrina Kaif and sung by Shreya Ghosal. The song dynamic composition and expressive lyrics celebrate feminine strength, allure, and the ability to captivate the command attention. The song upbeat temperature and powerful vocal make it a memorable and impact that has left a lasting impression on the music lover. Shreya Ghosal powerful vocal bringing the song to life with her versatility and range. Her voice is a perfect fit for the song theme and melody, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to the track. Ajay Atul composition is a perfect blend of energy and creativity, making the song a standout track in the film. The music composition is a key factor on the song success, and it's a testament to the composer skill that they were able to create a song that is both catchy and memorable. Amitabh Bhattacharya and lyrics are witty and add to the song appeal, celebrating feminine strength and allure. The lyrics are clever and catchy. They perfectly capture the essence of the song theme. The song's music composition is a key factor in its success, making it a standout track in the film. The blend of energetic beat in its catchy melody gives and the songs a unique and captivating sound that complement the song's theme. Katrina Kaif's performance in Chikni Chameli is a captivating, showcasing her dance skill and charm. Her on-screen presence adds to the song's appeal, making it a visual treat. The song choreography is creative and well suited to the song theme and melody, adding to the song appeal. Katrina Kaif dance moves are energetic and engaging, and she's perfectly captured the essence of the song theme. However, Shreya Ghosal has expressed embarrassment over the song borderline raunchy lyrics, suggesting that a woman would have written theme in the more graceful manner. The controversy surround the song's lyrics has sparked debate. The song lyrics discussion among music lovers, with some defending the song's creativity and others criticizing and explicit content. The controversy has not affected on the song popularity, and it remains one of the most memorable and from the song movie. Despite the controversy, Chikni Chameli remains one of the most memorable songs from the movie, with an average rating for 4.29 out of 5 star based on 504 votes. Fans have praised the song energetic beat and catchy lyrics, and it continued to be a popular track among music lovers. The song impact on the fans is significant with many praising Katrina Kaif captivating dance moves and Shreya Ghoshal powerful vocal. Chikni Chameli tap into the archetype and for the feminine fatal on a woman who has used her allure and accent the sometimes manipulate those around her. The song setting in a Banjar Basti and reference the playing who bookshare suggest a wild, untamed environment where Chikni Chameli thrives. The song's cultural significance lies in its celebrating of human strength and allure, making the memorable and impact track. The song's rhythm is infectious and engaging. Shreya Ghoshal vocal bring the song to life with their versatility and range. Katrina Kaif performance add to the song's appeal, showcasing her dance skill and charm. The song choreography is creative and well suited to the song's theme and melody. The song impact on young girls has sparked controversy and debate, with some criticizing its explicit content and other defending its creativity. Despite the controversy, Chikni Chameli remains a popular track. Music lovers with its catchy melody and energetic beat, making it a standout track in the film. The song popularity can be attributed to this energetic beat and catchy lyrics, making it a memorable and impactful track. Chikni Chameli is a standout track in the film Agnipath, and its catchy melody and energetic vocal, creative choreography make it a memorable one. The songs on screen chemistry between Katrina Kaif and the other actor is undeniable, and their performance add to the song appeal. Overall, Chikni Chameli, the song dynamic composition and expressive lyrics celebrate feminine strength, allure, and the ability to captivate the command attention. The song upbeat temperature and powerful vocal make it a memorable and impact that has left a lasting impression on the music lover. Shreya Ghoshal powerful vocal bringing the song to life with her versatility and range. Her voice is a perfect fit for the song theme and melody, adding a touch. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.